The church believes that marriage is a gift in God, in creation and grace, in which man and woman become one in heart, mind and body.
Что тебе сказать? Спасибо тебе за то, что ты у меня есть. Мой любимый, мой родной, самый-самый лучший мужчина на всей планете.
Да. Тебе спасибо, дорогая, за то, что ты согласилась стать моей женой, за то, что ты согласилась посетить чудесную страну со мной и за то, что решилась сыграть здесь свадьбу. Мне безумно приятно и, надеюсь, наше с тобой путешествие останется надолго в наших сердцах.
Поздравляю тебя.
И я тебя поздравляю. Очень сильно люблю тебя.
И я тебя люблю.
I'll go anywhere with you in the sunlight or underneath the moon. All we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all waiting for us.
Do you believe that God has blessed and guided you and now calls you into marriage?
Да.
Morning speaks to these open dreams, and we're right where we belong. I'll go anywhere with you in the sunlight or underneath the moon. All we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all waiting for us. Writing stories with the stars. Knew we'd get here from the start. Knew we'd get here from the start. I'll go anywhere with you in the sunlight or underneath the moon. All we have
Evgnii and
is
Iuliia
enough.
have not
Take
accepted
my
each other in
hand,
marriage.
darling, we
I declare
were
them to be
born
husband and
to
wife.
run.
Now, Evgnii, you can kiss your beautiful wife.
It's all waiting for us.